Hello and welcome to Medy Wellness YouTube channel for another healthy recipe. Today we will be making the best spicy meatballs with oats. Let's go straight to the ingredients list. For this we will need minced meat, eggs, oats, ginger and garlic, mince and herbs, onions, capsicum, cooking oil, other spices, black pepper, salt, and kefir drink, which is our special ingredient. Next, we will be working on the preparation. Place oats on a bowl. Add kefir to the oats and stir. Set it aside to rest. To another bowl add salt. Pour in some black pepper. Add in mixed spices. Pour in chopped onions. Stir them to mix. Add in capsicum. Add mince and coriander. Add in ginger with garlic. Stir to mix. Add beat eggs. Add olive oil, then stir. Place all the ingredients in one bowl. Mix all the ingredients evenly. Scoop with a spoon and mold the mix into balls of desired sizes. Place the balls on a tray ready for the next part. Now we will get to the cooking part. Heat oil in a pan. Drop in the meatballs to the oil gently to avoid splashing. Regulate the oil temperature not to be too hot. If the oil is too hot, the outer part will burn while inner part is still uncooked. After 2 to 3 minutes, when the bottom turns to golden brown, do turn over. Remove after the uncooked side has turned to brown after 2 to 3 minutes. Serve as desired. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press the like button. And if you enjoyed, please subscribe for more videos. Medy Wellness cares for you and your family. Tell us in the comments section what other recipes you'd like to see.